Welcome to this deep dive into Python string manipulation. Strings are far more powerful than you might think. They're not just sequences of characters. Python provides dozens of methods to slice, join, format, and transform text in powerful ways. Let's start with the basics. In Python, strings are immutable sequences of Unicode characters. They can be created using single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes for multi-line strings. Here we see different ways to create strings. Single and double quotes are equivalent, while triple quotes handle multi-line strings. We can also escape quotes inside strings. A crucial concept in Python is that strings are immutable. They cannot be changed after creation. Any operation that seems to modify a string actually creates a completely new one. For example, here we start with the string Python. When we perform the operation s equals s plus s, Python does not update the original string. Instead, it creates a brand new string object in memory with the updated content. This is important because it means strings behave differently from lists or other mutable types. Any change creates a new object, often stored at a different memory address. One of Python's most powerful string features is slicing, extracting portions of strings using index notation. Let's visualize how this works. Strings are zero-indexed sequences. Each character has a positive index from left to right, and a negative index from right to left. This dual indexing system makes slicing very flexible. Slicing syntax is powerful yet concise. We can specify start, stop, and step values, omitting start or stop defaults to the beginning or end of the string respectively. The step value lets us skip characters. First underscore char selects characters from index 0 to 1. Last underscore char selects characters from index -1 to none. Slice 1 selects characters from index 1 to 4. Slice 2 selects characters from index none to 3. Slice 3 selects characters from index 3 to none. Slice 4 selects characters from index none to none. Python provides dozens of built-in string methods. Let's explore some of the most useful ones with practical examples. Here's a selection of essential string methods. Each provides powerful text manipulation capabilities. Let's see some in action. This example demonstrates several key methods. Notice how upper and lower affect case while preserving white space. Strip removes leading and trailing spaces. Split breaks the string into words. Join combines a list with a separator. Find locates substrings. And replace performs substitutions. Finally, format enables flexible string templating. The upper method performs its function. The lower method performs its function. The strip method performs its function. The split method performs its function. The join method performs its function. The find method performs its function. The replace method performs its function. The format method performs its function. Python offers several ways to format strings, each with its own advantages. Let's compare the main approaches. The oldest method uses %formatting, similar to C's printf. The format method is more flexible, allowing named placeholders. But F strings, introduced in Python 3.6, are the most readable and powerful, allowing direct expression evaluation. F strings have several advantages. They're more readable since variables appear directly in the string. They can evaluate expressions. They're faster at runtime. And they support full Python expressions within the curly braces. Let's look at some real-world applications of string manipulation to solve common problems. First, data cleaning. Strings often need normalization, removing extra whitespace, standardizing case, or stripping punctuation. These transformations make data consistent for further processing. Second, text analysis. Splitting strings into words enables frequency analysis. Substring searches help identify important keywords in logs or documents. Third, template generation. Multi-line F-strings are perfect for creating personalized emails, reports, or other templated content with dynamic values. To conclude, here are some string manipulation best practices. F-strings should be your default for string formatting. Built-in methods are optimized and more readable than manual slicing. For joining many strings, the join method outperforms repeated concatenation. Raw strings simplify working with regular expressions and file paths. And for advanced pattern matching, Python's remodule provides powerful regex support. String manipulation is a fundamental skill in Python programming. Whether you're processing data, cleaning inputs, or generating output, mastering these techniques will make you a more effective programmer.